Hi, my name is Hayley, and for this hackathon, I updated my personal website. In 2016, I made my first personal website in order to get hired out of college, and it was really corporate and kind of soulless. And so since I'm not really on social media anymore and I have a job, I want to represent myself more genuinely online. So on the technical side, I built this with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, a little bit of jQuery. I used PHP for things like the header and the footer so that I wouldn't have to repeat code, but then it turns out GitHub's free hosting does not support PHP, so I had to change it all back. But that's okay. Now let's dive in. First is the About Me page, where I talk about myself a little bit. At the bottom, I link to the projects page, and this is a pattern that I've introduced on a lot of the pages to bring users to the next one. Here, I use the Flickr API to populate a bunch of images of projects that I worked on. I talk about my friendship bracelets. This one's not Flickr, but YouTube videos for hackathon projects I've done. Murals that I've painted with The Office. And then digital art that I've created. And it's all scalable, so if I made this window smaller, it still looks nice. At the end of the last page, there's a link to my career page. I didn't really realize that I had a story to tell until I started writing it, and then I realized I had a lot to say about it, and it was fun to work on. Next, I talk about things that inspire me, and it's just a bunch of external links. I have a map of everywhere that I've traveled to, and it's interactive. And lastly is the contact page. And that's it. This project was really fun to work on, especially because it was so personal to me, and I think mission definitely accomplished. So check it out.